Hello, student programmers. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey through the complex world of JavaScript, specifically focusing on the notorious this keyword. Understanding how this works in various contexts is crucial for writing bug-free code and is a common area where many programmers, both new and experienced, tend to make mistakes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better grasp of common pitfalls associated with this and how to avoid them, making your JavaScript coding journey smoother and more enjoyable. So without further ado, now let's dive into the code. We begin with example 1, where we see a person object with a greet method. The mistake here lies in the misunderstanding of the context of this when the method is called within setTimeout. In JavaScript, this inside setTimeout refers to the global object, not the person object as intended. Thus, this name does not refer to person, name, but rather to an undefined property of the global object. In example 2, we attach an event listener to a button. The function attached to the click event correctly uses this, as in the context of an event listener added using addEventListener. This refers to the element the event was called on, in this case, the button. Moving to example 3, we encounter a common mistake within a for-each loop. Here, the function inside for-each has its own context, so this does not refer to the person-to object. This results in this .name being undefined within the logging statement. Example 4 demonstrates a scenario with constructors and prototypes. Here, this is incorrectly understood when detaching a method from its object. When greet is assigned to the greet variable outside its original object, calling it standalone makes this lose the reference to the person3 object, leading this name to be undefined. Lastly, example 5 shows a correct use of this within an arrow function inside a setTimeout. Arrow functions do not create their own this context, but instead inherit this from the enclosing lexical context, in this case, the person4 object. Thus, this name correctly refers to person4. Name. In conclusion, understanding and correctly applying the concept of this in JavaScript is fundamental for developing robust and bug-free applications. Today, we covered common mistakes and scenarios that every JavaScript developer encounters. Extensibility. By grasping the nuances of this, you can write more adaptable code that can be extended over time. This knowledge allows for the creation of more flexible and scalable object-oriented code. Reusability. Understanding how this behaves in different contexts enhances the reusability of your code. Functions and methods can be designed to be more independent and reusable in various contexts. Efficiency. Knowing how to correctly use this prevents common bugs and errors, leading to more efficient debugging and development processes. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.